Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and power source so charging is efficient. First, plug the original high-watt charger into a wall outlet. Avoid laptop USB ports. Once connected, switch to airplane mode and force close any visible apps to cut background drain. Make sure the cable is firmly seated and the port is clean. A loose connection slows current. These quick steps remove power sinks and let the charger deliver maximum current right away, so the battery climbs faster. Now make system-level changes that let charging catch up faster. Open settings and enable any native fast charge or quick charge option. This signals the phone to accept higher current. Next, disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS, and drop screen brightness to 10 to 30% so the phone isn't wasting power. Prefer a wired USB CPD or quick charge adapter because wireless charging runs cooler but often charges slower. Once done, avoid touching the screen. That prevents wakes and keeps charging rates high. Finish by letting the battery reach about 80 to 90% for the fastest useful refill, then top off slowly if you want longevity. Make sure the phone stays cool. Remove the case if it heats up because high temperature throttles charging speed. Once nearly charged, reconnect networks and disable airplane mode. If charging is still slow, swap the cable and charger to isolate hardware and inspect the USB port for lint. Clean carefully with a soft tool because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.